sure. You're as welcome as can be. Yabba-do-dee-da-dee-dee-dum-dee-do-dee-day. Oopsie. I am such a butterfingers.
Hey, put me down! Don't make me have to whoop you!
Okay, fine. Just hold still, you runt. Well, Mickey, it looks like this is the end of the line.
Think so? My pals will be right behind us.
Oh, sure, uh-huh. The duck dumped you, remember?
Well, Goofy then.
The goof, he's getting fitted for a halo.
No.
Yes. Face it, Mickey. It's all for one, and you are on your own. Enjoy your brief stay here at the Mont Saint-Michel. You know, they say the tide comes in faster than horses. So long, runt. I got me tickets to the opera. A little something called I Just Can't Wait to Be King.